to another YouTube video. Today we are back with some more Minecraft. We're gonna do a little bit of something different today. I'm going to teach you how to make an iron farm in Minecraft. So you guys can probably already tell by the title, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. This will be a tutorial, and yeah, let's get straight into it. So to make an iron farm, you're going to want a big flat space. Like, you're gonna want not a lot of stuff here, like blocks around it, because then the iron golems may spawn on these blocks that I'm breaking right now. You don't want these blocks here. You just want a nice flat area. And so I realize there's a lot of iron farm tutorials out there, but this is gonna be mine. Just so you guys know, when you're making an iron farm, you're going to want it to be fairly close to a village, so you can bring villagers to your build. So, because villagers are a big part of your build. So to start off your build, these are all of the items you are going to need in this build. You're gonna need 4 buckets of water, 12 trapdoors, 32 ladders, I think, and then just a bunch of torches, a couple, like 4 or 5 boats, a couple slabs, 9 hoppers or so, and then like 8 fence gates. And then obviously you're gonna need villagers and zombies, and signs too. So I'm just gonna break this now. So to start off, you are going to want to dig a 9x2 hole. So you're going to, I will build the hole now, and I'll be back once it's done. Okay guys, so I have dug my 9x2 hole, and now what you're gonna need is 4 buckets of water. So you're gonna put your buckets in all of the corners, and it should look like this, where one thing is not covered by water, one block is not covered by water in the middle. So once you have this done, you're going to want to put 8 fences. So, or you're gonna want to put it like this, and you're gonna want to make sure that every single fence is opened. Now what you're going to want to do is build down, or go down in from this middle area. Like this, you can go to like 12 to 15 blocks. So I'm going to go down 15 blocks. It's your choice. It's basically, this is how it's going to work. The iron golems are going to spawn around here and then drop down into this pit, and you'll see what will happen. So I'm just going to go ahead and dig down 15 blocks. Again, you can go from anywhere from 12 to 15. It doesn't really matter. But I'll see you once my hole is digged. Okay guys, so once you have your hole, mine is 15 blocks down, you're going to go over here, and you're going to want to go to your left. You're going to build 3 blocks like this, 3 blocks in, like just make a little bit of a room here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over here to this wall and put down your double chest. And so once you have your double chest down, you're going to want to place some hoppers, but you got to make sure how many. Well, no. No, I'm messing up a little here. It's all good. It's all good. You're going to want your hoppers to be facing away so these connect. They connect like that. Just like that, where that thing is attached to it. Make sure both of them are connected. I can see it. So, and then you're going to want to have hoppers connecting to those hoppers. Just like that. So, and then after that, like you can make like a little area over here to AFK. And if you want to AFK, you can also dig down a little bit, put another double chest and a hopper. Like this. Yeah. What am I doing? Okay, there we go. So that's what you can do for your hopper and stuff. And then you're going to want to grab your signs. Oh, also you're going to want to place some torches down here so no mobs spawn. And so with your signs, you're going to place them like around here, like that. Okay, wait. And you're going to keep on placing them like this. And then once you have all of your signs placed like just like that, you're going to grab one bucket of lava. And you are going to place it like that. And it should spread out. This is going to make it so when the iron golems fall, they will land on here into the lava. And actually, now I think about it, you are going to want to, I did this a little bit wrong. You are going to want the signs to be right here. Right here. Because then, oh wait. Okay, wait. I gotta remember something. Here, wait. Just give me a second. Sorry, guys. I did not really remember. I'm just gonna add. You're just going to also want to add one more hopper here. I forgot to say that. But you're going to want to put your signs right here, just like this. All the way through. And then you're going to. Okay, that's fine. It's fine. Then you're going to want to put your lava here, so then when they fall through, they will, fall through into this lava and die. Next you're going to want to build straight up. Oh, there's water here. That ain't good. That ain't good. That was my fault. That ain't good. Okay, we're good. You're going to want to build all the way up to the surface, and you're going to want to add your ladders, just like this. So this way you have a way in and out of your little room there. And you are going to want to put a trapdoor on top, so just to be safe. Okay, so guys, once you finish with that, I'm making mistakes here. Once you finish with that, you're going to go to one of your corners and go 3 blocks diagonally right here. And then put, oh, wait 1 second. Set timer. Sorry guys. You're going to want to go 3 blocks out, diagonal from the thing. Then you're going to want to have a trench, like a 3-block trench like this. And then you're going to want to dig 7 blocks down. Okay, so once you have digged 3 or 7 blocks down total, just like this, you're going to want to go to the bottom and dig away from your farm. Dig you're going Okay, so once you've done that, you are going to want to get your villagers. Or no, don't do that yet. Once you've done that, you are going to want to do that all around here. Do it for this side, do it all here. Count 3 blocks out, diagonal, and do the exact same thing. Okay, so once you have done that, we are so close to finishing. We just have to, so it should look like this, by the way, but now, sorry, ignore that part, I messed up there. So now what we're going to do is put villagers and a zombie into our little room on the side here. So to get your villagers, you're going to have to get them from your village if you're in survival mode, and just bring them by boat to your build, or you'll have to put them in a minecart and do like tracks or something. Now to get your villagers into the thing, you can either just you can put a boat or put 2 beds here and then 2 guys, or get in the boat or get into the bed, please. Or you gotta make sure it is nighttime. For them to actually go to bed, and then you can just break their bed and they will go in there. Now, I'm also gonna put one more in there. Now, at nighttime, you're also going to be getting a zombie. Now, you can just, by getting a zombie, you can just bring it in like this, or wait, let me just add some torches in here first. You can just find one and then just leave them in there, because they'll just go straight in and they will go into the boat, making sure that those villagers do not fall asleep. That is a problem. So this is a sign that it is sort of working, but that means that there's a problem. Let me just first put your gates or trapdoors here. But let me see, and do that for all of the ones around. Do it for every single one. Make sure you have torches in there. But I'm going to be right back. I need to find the problem to this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I found out the problem. So I forgot to tell you guys one step. You have to put torches on the stairs, because again, it is possible for the iron golem to spawn on the stairs like it usually, because like it happened before. So once you put your torches in all of them, your thing should look like this, where you got the trapdoors and it's perfect. That is what you want. Now you just sort of have to wait, because once it becomes nighttime, or I don't think it's when it becomes nighttime, they just randomly spawn. But it does give you a lot of iron. So we're just going to wait now, or I gotta try to remember if there's one more step. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so actually there is one more step that I forgot to tell you guys. You actually don't need to use these trapdoors anymore. You can just block all of these holes up with whatever block you like, except keep one trapdoor just to make sure that everything is going well. So let me just break all these, it should start to work soon. Okay. Why is there one villager? Oh, okay. Never mind. Never mind. There is not just one villager in here. Okay. Now we break this one. Okay, guys, so it should start to work. Now, mine is a little bit delayed. I don't know why. Let me just go down there to see if I missed any. Yes, I clearly have. Yeah, so the problem is, guys, is that my thing is, it works and stuff, but it's just, they're going to probably spawn somewhere like else. So I have to clear out my area a little bit so they do not spawn anywhere else than in there. So this one works for any like things like any, what is it called? What is it called? It works for 1.20 versions, I'm pretty sure. So guys, I hope you guys have checked out or understand this and know how to do it, and your iron farm is working. I am just going to wait to see some more iron golems. Yours will work. It just, my area is not covered up that well. So I will see you when I get some iron. Okay guys, so I am back. I fixed the problem. It was just because there was a little cave. Here, let me show you. Spectator. So there was a cave, there's a cave right here that they were spawning in, and so I just had to block some of them up so it did not spawn anymore. They didn't spawn there anymore. Now it should, yep, see, it is working. So guys, I'm sorry for that little bit of a mishaps there, because this is my first time actually building one. I just learned how, and there we go. We've already been getting iron, and it's just been going on for the past 1 to 2 minutes. So guys, this is how you make an iron farm, and this is amazing. This was really fun to make, and it will help you so much in your survival world. So I hope you guys have learned how to do this, and it helps your survival or hardcore world. Now, go check out my friend JKing531's channel. Go check out mine, and I hope you guys like this tutorial, and it fits for you. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.